going to be my first ever talking video. So today I went coffee as I needed something to pick me up and just get my energy back again. Stuff I bought today, one was this. They're from B&M. It's just a power bank. To be fair, I'm trying to exchange this because, as you can see, there's a scratch. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a bit scratched up. But because there's nothing left, I'm just gonna go with the comments. This a lovely vase from B&M again for £8. £8. Pretty steal. So this is not actually for me. This is for my parents' house. So yeah, those are the only things I bought today. Haven't really bought much. I'm planning to go on the internet, well, in Pretty Little Thing, to buy some bikinis, just stuff that I need for my holiday this end of August. So I'm so excited for that. Where am I going? Just better watch out for my next videos. So I'm definitely gonna try and vlog about that, because I just want to start vlogging my, things I do, and just like happy memories that I do with my friends. And yeah, I hope you like this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Hello everybody, so today we'll be cooking something very wholesome, something very clean, something very nice, and that is corned beef. Like all other vloggers, who always be like, clean eating, eat your vegetables, eat your fruits, but let's be honest, sometimes we don't have that stuff in our fridge. Especially me, because I've been ill for the past couple of days, so I don't really have time to go to a shop to buy me some meat, vegetables, and whatnot. So today I found I've got a can of goods. I'm hungry. It's past dinner time, so I need to get cooking. So this is what we'll be making today for dinner. morning everyone. It's now Sunday, and for today I plan to go for a brunch just by myself again as usual, but I'm not entirely sure where to go yet. See you in a bit. So here's the outfit for today. I'm just wearing this pink dress that I bought from Zara and these glasses that I bought from the market, which you've seen in the previous clips in this video, and just wearing a very intricate gold jewelries. And my bag for today is the one from Coach, which also the one I wore yesterday. So yeah, that's the all outfit for today, and just heading out now to catch my bus. So see you later. Hello everybody. Today I'm literally back at home now. I didn't really vlog the other things I've done. I was literally just in bed doing absolutely nothing. Well, I wasn't really doing nothing. I was editing this video. I was editing the videos that I made yesterday, so which I am planning to put up most likely by tonight. So I am planning to upload this video by tonight. Oh, that oil over there. Sorry, I literally just didn't even blot. I literally, like, you know what, let me just do my outro now before I forget. I think I really enjoyed my day today. I went to 2 places. They're all pretty new. I've never been there before, so I had a really fun day just by myself. Comment down below if you do like go to places on your own as well, because I do like going to places on my own, going shopping on my own, going to coffee shops on my own. I do sometimes get bored, but it is fun to do. It's also nice to do with your friends as well, just with people around. That could be nice. But today I was by myself, so I really enjoyed that. What to expect from other videos? I don't really have much happening, as I'm just gonna be working, and I do be seeing my friends in 2 weeks, I believe. So that is something that I'm gonna try and put and add in like the next coming vlogs or videos. So I'll see how it goes, but I do also have a holiday coming along, so I will definitely vlog about that. So yeah, that's about it for this video or for this vlog. I am planning, as I said, I am planning to just edit this for today and upload it straight away, so this vlog will be done. Just making a quick outro as much as I can, but look at it, it's going for 5 minutes, but obviously I'm gonna edit that. I hope you really like this video. Comment down below if you have any suggestions of any videos that you would like for me to vlog. I will be doing vlogs most likely, but I do want to see what you would like to suggest. I'm so sorry guys, I know you keep seeing me on a different angle, but because my outro then was not great, so just wanted to say thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next vlog. Bye guys.